Welcome to the brand new episode of Ford Tech Talk. It's been a long rest break, but now let's turn on the engine, hit off road with the Jeep Wrangler and the Ford Bronco. So basically we'll be looking at some performance specs and design features. I'm sure that should help you quickly decide which one to opt for. So Jeep continues to sustain its military design heritage. It still looks raw and expresses robustness, unlike with the contemporary design of the Defender that has taken more delicate features. Summer days are ideal, of course, with the Wrangler's roof configuration. Getting to engine specs, the Wrangler carries a standard 285 horsepower 3.6 liter V6 engine, working in conjunction with a 6-speed manual transmission or with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A turbocharged 4-cylinder is optional and teams up with an electric motor to provide extra power. The Wrangler can be featured as well with a 3.6 liter V6 hybrid system configuration, a 3 liter diesel V6, a 375 horsepower plug-in hybrid 4xe powertrain and a 6.4 liter V8 engine. 4-wheel drive comes as standard and manipulated with a lever on the center console. The V6 engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, hits 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The 4-door Sahara model with an automatic transmission hits 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. The 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain 4-door Sahara hits 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. According to Jeep, their 17 kilowatt-hour battery pack is set to provide up to 25 miles of electric-only driving. To keep you connected, they have their system that they call Uconnect. Apple Car and Android Auto come as standard. Key features on limited ranges of the Wrangler are blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and rear parking sensors. Wrangler models range from the Sport with a price tag of $32,990 to the Rubicon 392 with a price tag of $82,190. And we are wrapping it up with the Ford Bronco models, starting off with the Sport with a price tag of $29,215. It's an amazing compact adventurous SUV that sits 5 very comfortably. Some cool features are the flip-up rear glass so you can easily insert or access cargo much easier. Speaking of cargo, the Bronco can hold cargo on the roof that weighs up to 150 pounds. 8.8-inch ground clearance is enabled in the Sport, so to help you penetrate through those steep and sandy dunes. Since it's an adventure, no reason to leave anything behind. Enjoy fresh air and great sky views with its transparent glass sunroof. The Safari-style roof means more headroom for your cargo and tall friends. The headroom is so sufficient that even bikes can be fitted and placed in a standing position. Getting into performance specs, the Bronco carries 181 horsepower, turbocharged 1.5 liter 3-cylinder base engine, a 245 horsepower turbo 2 liter 4-cylinder. Both these engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Sport can also tow cargo between 2,000 and 2,200 pounds. If looking for something meatier, they've got your back with the Raptor. It features a 3 liter V6 EcoBoost paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, fine-tuning at Raptor level. Active damping feature is available to smoothen your uneven surfaces. Electronic locking front and rear axle feature, when activated, optimizes traction and improves off-road performance. For a more unique driving experience, the Raptor features removable doors and hard rooftop. For some safety assistance, a rear view camera, 360-degree camera available. Another optional feature is the keyless entry keypad. So to sum it up, the Wrangler has its 3 liters V6 engine models as well as with the Raptor. Similar features are found in both models. Both are off-road capable, looking stylish, but price-wise, one needs to spend just over $10,000 more for the Rubicon. At this stage, before looking deeper into warranty issues, etc., I would opt for the Bronco Raptor, which is anything between $68,000 to $70,000. Comment down below on what you think. Thanks guys for tuning in this far. You really gave me purpose. Make sure to like, and if you are new, subscribe so you do not miss out on anything right here only on Auto Tech Talk. Cheers, God bless.